Hi everyone, welcome in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday, May the 22nd, 2020. We have in this additional five Sudokus, a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. But we will start first with the Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started with the first Sudoku. Alright. In the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The other 3 numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Okay. And now we have in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes, there an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 7. The 2, 4, and 7. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. How about 3, the 3, the 9, the 9, the 9. Six, the 8, In this middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there in this middle column. So we have a 4 over there, so here cannot be a 4. The 4 should be there. Then the other 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1, the 2, and the 7. No, we have the 7 and the 5. Yes, the 5 is missing. But the 1, I see here a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here or could be there. The 1 in the middle column. So we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. How about One, 2, 3, How about it's supposed to be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. The numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here also a 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. I see here a 5. No 5 there. I see there a 5. No 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then, how about 8 and 7? How about seven. 9. No. I need more information. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. What I see here, 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for a 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column, the 1 and the 2. How about the other 3 numbers? in this big square. The missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7. I see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 7 should be here. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 3 and the 6 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 8, I believe, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the 3rd row, 2 in the 1st row. So in the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 missing number in the 2nd row for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the 3rd row column, 3 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore, so this should be a 1, and this should be a 2. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in the 2nd column for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and yeah, in a minute I will continue with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.